Welcome back to my wonderful adventures. Today I'll be going to the Gloom Factory. No, not the Glue Factory, the Gloom Factory, or as it's technically known, the Job Centre. This is a place which is supposed to help you find work, although for me, all it's managed to do is help me find depression.
So, what kind of work is it you're looking for again?
Artist, ideally.
Artist. Oh, we've got a sandwich artist vacancy.
What's that? They need someone to draw pictures of sandwiches?
It's for Subway.
Oh right, like doing art in the subway walls, like street art or something.
Not quite. It's for Subway, the fast food chain.
Fast food? So some kind of sandwich running design is in order?
It's the preparation of sandwiches.
So, a fancy name for sandwich maker.
Also ensuring stock is replenished regularly and other tasks completed efficiently.
Sounds thrilling.
It's national living wage and you can be part of a young, energetic and fun team.
That sounds horrible.
Deliver excellent customer service by serving in a professional, friendly
God, he annoys me so
manner,
much.
maintaining
Why
a
do
highly
people never
skilled
shut up?
and
No matter what the
great
setting,
and
they just need to talk and talk no matter how boring it is.
And you can get a colleague discount of 10% within all Subway stores.
Oh yay, sign me up now.
Oh, food retail experience preferred.
So I'm not even qualified for making sandwiches, great. Oh well, that's me out.
Well, it does say preferred and not essential.
But I don't want to do it.
So I'll sign you up for it anyway, shall I?
No.
There's no harm trying, is there?
Yeah, because if they give me an interview, I'll have to think of an excuse not to go.
There, I've applied for you. You never know, you might get lucky.
An interview for Subway is not my definition of getting lucky.
So what other jobs can we find today?
Any work from home jobs?
So you like staying at home, do you?
Yep, I'm at home a lot, so it makes sense to do my work from there as well.
Well, if you're at home a lot, maybe it will be better to get you out and about.
What are you, my bloody counsellor now?
Well, I can't see any home-based jobs on here at the moment.
I didn't say I wanted to work at home base.
No, not home-based, the garden centre.
No, I know, I was joking. But yeah, home working is ideally what I would like to do. Which is ironic, really, because when I was a kid, I hated doing homework.
Well, there's no work from home roles.
Roles? I think we're back to Subway again now.
There's jobs going in Iceland.
So we've gone from working from home to Iceland. That's quite a leap.
Come again?
I'd rather not. I mean, that's quite a commute, isn't it? It's bad enough getting a crowded bus for 20 minutes every day, let alone a plane from Britain to Iceland.
No, I mean Iceland, the supermarket.
Yeah, I was just joking again, sorry.
Well, it's not very professional, is it?
I don't know, I go in there sometimes. Staff always seem fairly professional to me.
No, I mean you're not being very professional by not taking your job search seriously.
I'm not a professional. You're the professional who's supposed to be helping me become a professional.
Job seekers allowance means you need to be actively seeking work, and if you're not making adequate steps to find employment, I'll have to stop your benefit, I'm afraid.
You're afraid? I get anxiety even thinking of working with people every day, and then you threaten me with that.
So I'll send applications to Subway in Iceland, shall I?
Why not?
Okay, that's done. See you in 2 weeks.
God, I hope I can become rich within the next 2 weeks so I don't have to go there again.